Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Or shall we say Happy Christmas and Merry New Year? And when do we say congrats or congratulations? Hi, I'm Anne from Better English with Anne, and today we're going to look at all the differences and when you should use which phrase.
Fine.
Let's start with establishing that Merry is used only in the phrase Merry Christmas. In all other phrases, you will use happy. Happy holidays, Happy New Year, Happy birthday, Happy Halloween, and so on. So why do we use Merry only with Christmas? The first noted record of using Merry in the phrase Merry Christmas was in the Christmas card sent in 1843 by Sir Henry Cole. The phrase Merry Christmas was highly popular about 200 years ago. However, it was mainly associated with the rowdiness of the lower class. That's why it wasn't very popular with the upper class. Even nowadays, the royals prefer Happy Christmas. And the Queen, in her every year speech, she uses Happy Christmas to refer to everyone in her country.
And so I wish you all a very happy Christmas.
The word happy was associated with calm celebration, peaceful, whereas merry was more associated with big, pompous celebrations, with dances, lots of drinks.
Happy Christmas, Harry. Happy Christmas, Ron.
But happy Christmas.
Nevertheless, Merry Christmas is still highly popular nowadays. That's why we say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a very happy New Year.
Otherwise, you can also say Season's Greetings.
Season's greetings.
How about congrats and congratulations? When do we use that as opposed to happy holidays?
Congratulations.
You will usually say congrats on passing an exam, congrats on having a new baby, congrats on buying a new house.
Congrats on the new car.
And if you pay close attention to when you use this phrase congrats, you will notice that we usually congratulate people on their success. So you have to do something particularly special or successful so that people will tell you congratulations, or short for congrats.
Congrats on all of your success. Stay grounded.
So, to sum up, happy birthday, happy Women's Day, happy Independence Day, but congrats on buying a house, congrats on having a baby, congrats on passing an exam. You did something special, you didn't contribute anything to those days. That's the basic difference.
But it's so simple.
Thanks for watching till the end of this video. Use these phrases correctly and in the correct situations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in my next videos. Bye!
Congrats on the movie!